Hello everybody. Today I will introduce you to SafeTpal, a very new product of Hitex. My agenda for today: to answer the question, what is SafeTpal, the SafeTpal in the V medal, why do I need the SafeTpal, the 4 elements of SafeTpal, my conclusion and summary, and last but not least, there will come more, save the date. With SafeTpal, Hitex provides you a complete package of software, hardware, trainings, and services. SafeTpal is your companion in the development of safe applications with TC3 and TC4xx. What is SafeTpal? SafeTpal is an easy-to-use package for the AURIX TC3 and TC4, primarily for applications that do not use AUTOSAR. SafeTpal is designed for a safe application that needs to achieve ASIL-D or SIL-3 as a safety target. SafeTpal is a complete solution consisting of software, reference design, services, and training. SafeTpal means an easy-to-use package for all applications with high safety and cybersecurity requirements. Have a look on the V model. So, with the concept phase, specification, architecture, design, implementation, unit testing, integration, system testing, and last but not least, production, and all the verification and validation steps. Here's a brief overview of the standard development process according to the V model. SafeTpal accompanies you in the development of your application all the way through the software and hardware development process. From the design-in process to the selection of development tools to development and test and verification. SafeTpal has the right packages for you. The higher the safety requirements, the greater the effort required for development. You have the choice. You write a complete software including drivers for yourself, or you save time and money with SafeTpal. Concentrate on your application know-how and benefit from our many years of AURIX know-how along the development process. With the finished and qualified software components as well as with our high-quality services and training, you save time in the development, make your boss happy, and complete your project on time and on budget. The complete package of SafeTpal consists of 4 topics: software, hardware, trainings, and services. With qualified software as the Safety Hall, performance drivers, the Safety HSP, the MATLAB HSP support package, and Safety Pack, the safety and secure solution from Hitex. Maybe you know it. On the other hand, we support your hardware development with a reference design for applications up to ASIL-D or SIL-3. And the hardware in the loop test solution is also integrated in the overall package. With our training courses, we offer a quick introduction into the development of a safe application with AURIX and show you what is really relevant for you and in the standards. A comprehensive service package with further trainings, consulting, and development services rounds off our SafeTpal Pro offer. Safety Hall is the hardware abstraction layer and consists out of high-performance drivers. With Safety Hall, we close the gap between the non-qualified demo drivers, ILD from Infineon, and the high-end MCAL drivers for AUTOSAR. With Safety HSP, the drivers can be integrated directly into the MassWorks AURIX hardware support package and replace the previous demo drivers ASIL-D from Infineon. Have a clear path to design from POC, proof of concept, to producted and safe applications with MATLAB Simulink and SafeTpal. With SafeTpack, the SafeTpack package is part of the SafeTpal family. With SafeTpack, you create a safe startup of the AURIX and implement the necessary ESMs from the AURIX safety manual. The TLF 35584 and A5, so the watchdog, is also supported. A secure bootloader and a SOTA package will round off the software package and is planned to complete the package in the future. Hardware abstraction layer with qualified drivers. The drivers are designed for non-AUTOSAR applications, but can be used as a CDD, a complex device driver, in an AUTOSAR context as well. The API is fully compatible with Infineon ASIL-D. The drivers are certified for IEC 61508 SIL-3 or qualified for ISO 26262 ASIL-D. And cybersecurity according to ISO 21434, CERT-C and MISRA-C. We have drivers for infrastructure like clock, common, DMR and interrupt, for input and output like port, ADC as AWAC ADC, conversion control, EDS ADC, PWM and encoder. And last but not least, communication, UART and SPI. All the drivers are delivered in source code with all the necessary documentation and safety documentation. Have a deeper view in SafeTpal. Here's its schematic overview. Here we have the AURIX with its peripherals. And for instance, we have a motor control as an example, which has analog signals, PWM signals, and feedback signals. On the other hand, we have the TLF 35585 as a PMIC to ensure the safe state of the whole application. As the driver level, we have the safety hall with the drivers. We have the safety HSP to connect to MATLAB Simulink. And last but not least, the SafeTpack package will be part of the whole package and consist very well in the whole solution. With this, safety hall is an alternative to Infineon MCAL for efficient application for automotive and industry. When you don't use AUTOSAR, it closes the gap between the ASIL-Ds, the demo drivers from Infineon, and the MCAL, the auto drivers for the AURIX. We offer optimized drivers, performance drivers for dynamic control algorithms for ISO 26262 up to ASIL-D and IEC 61508 up to SIL-3. And it's a real budget-friendly alternative to the MCALs. SafeTpal supports the Masterwork hardware support package for Infineon AURIX TC3xx and TC4xx. Use semi-formal notation suggestions from the standards to easy setup and flash your AURIX. Have a deeper look in the model-based development flow with Hitex SafeTpal. Optimize MATLAB code generation by including productive release drivers. Here's a way through the flow, starting with a functional model with the extension like the HSP block set, the customization, the simulation, the code generation, and flashing on the hardware. With Hitex Safety Hall and Safety HSP, you have productive drivers for integration. Boost your development cycle and reduce efforts. Incorporating productive release drivers into production code generation reduce efforts, costs, and enables a fast development cycle. You do not need to integrate manually own your third-party drivers. As an example, power conversion or motor control requires performance-optimized drivers. And that's what the drivers in the SafeTpal concept are. On the other hand, we support you and help you with our AURIX reference design for safe applications. We support you in your hardware development up to ASIL-D and SIL-3. Furthermore, we offer services like IFMIDA, safety analysis, and schematic review. The TC3 and TC4 reference board are in the form factor of SODIMM. The SODIMM board for TC3xx and TC4xx fits into the carrier board to access all the pins for developing and testing. You will find the boards and the Infineon evaluation application kits are available in our web shop. Here's the SODIMM board and here's the adapter board where you have exact access to all the pins of the AURIX, which will help you in development and testing of your hard and software. Our trainings for a quick start with AURIX. With safety tools, we give you an overview of development and test tools for AURIX and development. Many tools are available directly from Hitex and are also used in our own development projects. The documentation for AURIX, the safety measures and further documentation comprises thousands of pages. In the training Safety Guidance, we will give you an overview of the entire AURIX documentation, including the PMICs. We will show you what is really relevant for your project and which assumptions of use are really relevant. Learn from experienced developers and get a boost for your project. And last but not least, in safety compliance, we give you a detailed overview of all relevant safety and security standards. Learn what is really important for your project and benefit from our field-proven know-how. Services, customization, and know-how. Safety Start, our design service for you. With this consulting package, we support you in selecting the right AURIX device and supporting devices like PMIC for your project. Furthermore, we answer the relevant questions on the topics for safety and security, which have a direct influence onto the hard and software design. With safety development, our development team for AURIX hardware and software has many years of experience from numerous safety projects in many industries. Benefit from our know-how. We are happy to support you with our development expertise in your project. With safety unit test, we offer unit test services. Our unit test team has many years of experience with the unit testing and software for ISO 262 and ESC 61548 and other standards. We offer this as a company service for your project, or you can give us your software package after completion of the development. We provide all the relevant test reports and information you need for successful certification. And last but not least, Safety Hill and Safety Hill Remote, professional hardware software integration testing from a single source. We offer test services to accompany your project or as a complete package. Talk to us about your specific requirements. My personal summary. SafeTpal is a complete solution which supports all relevant safety and security standards. With SafeTpal, we offer a comprehensive solution package of software, hardware, and services for your project success. Save time and money and start your AURIX project successfully. And it's real budget friendly. It's a real budget friendly alternative of today's offerings. Would you like to know more about SafeTpal and the individual packages? We will offering you in deep webinars on SafeTpal over the next few weeks. Reserve the dates now. In summer from June to July, we have a look at MISRA-C ESC Cert Kit and MISRA-C HSP. We go deeper in the safety development and show you the value of safety guidance and safety compliance training. In autumn, between September and November, we go deeper in the safety schematic and the requirements for safe hardware development. We have a deeper look on the safety hall, the safety development in detail, and the safety HSP. And last but not least, we show you Safety Hill and Safety Remote Hill as a possibility to have test services for hardware and software integration tests. Have a live view on Safety Pack on the ESE Congress in Sindelfingen. In the pre-conference, we give an overview over SafeTpal, and the 3rd of December, we will have a lecture about Safety Hill SIL4 live. So we show how we tested a SIL4 project with the Safety Hill solution. I would be happy if you will meet us on the ESA and we have a personal talk. Last but not least, in December, we will give a live demonstration of the whole package with SafeTpal, Safety Hall, and the Safety HSP in real life. So be curious what we are showing you, and I would be happy if you register for the upcoming webinars. I hope I could give you an overview about our complete package of SafeTpal, which is not only drivers, it's a whole package with drivers, hardware, trainings, and services. Maybe now we have a little bit time for your questions, and I'm curious for your question.
Okay, thank you, Michael, for this compact and interesting introduction on SafeTpal. Yes, some questions have come in, and I've picked out two that might be of interest to everyone. Question one is Safety Hall a replacement for MCAL?
No, it's not intended as a replacement. So SafeTpal and with the driver Safety Hall, we developed a complete driver set out of the needs of the market. We often heard from customers that they develop automotive applications, for instance, without AUTOSAR and need high performance drivers for their motor control, for their battery management, and a lot of more. On the other hand, we know that in the industry, same requirements are needed. And for that, maybe this MCAL drivers are too heavy and too expensive. And for these markets, we have developed the Safety Hall concept with a complete set of drivers, services, and trainings.
Okay, thank you. Question two is which real-time operation systems are supported?
So the Safety Hall drivers are first intended to be independent of the RTOS. So whether you use AUTOSAR, you can use the drivers as a complex device drivers, or you use PXROS HR as RTOS, you can integrate them as well. And there are a lot of other RTOSs which can be supported by the Safety Hall, because we don't use no functions from the operating system. We are complete independent, and it's up to you to integrate them in your operating system. Maybe you don't have an operating system and have a scheduler for your own, then the Safety Hall drivers can be used as well. So if you need support, please come to Hitex, ask us. We can integrate the drivers and a complete solution for you about according to your requirements.